Is AgeGo really safe in 2026, or is it just another headache waiting to happen? Let's break it down. AgeGo is a legit age verification service based in Barcelona and part of the well-known AgeGO group. The company's ICO certification and GDPR compliance mean they're ticking the boxes for privacy and security. Here's how it works. To access 18+ content, you can verify yourself through a government ID, a live selfie, credit card authorization, or the Yoti digital ID app. What's unique is their double anonymity model. AgeGo never stores your ID or biometrics. Instead, they send your info to trusted third-party providers like AWS and Shift4, and only get a simple yes or no back. Sounds safe, right? But here's where things get messy. On Trustpilot, users are lighting up the reviews with frustration. The most common complaint? The app often glitches, freezing up when you try to upload your ID. Some people say they got one-time codes that were instantly declared invalid. And if you try to reach customer support, good luck. There are tons of reports of emails going completely unanswered. A lot of users even suspect AgeGo makes the alternative verification method so annoying that you'll just give up and use your credit card instead. Whether that's intentional or not, it's a pretty bad look. So is AgeGo safe? Technically, yes. Your personal data isn't stored on their servers, and the company follows the latest privacy laws. But you're still trusting third parties with your info, and the user experience right now leaves a lot to be desired. Bottom line, AgeGo isn't a scam, but it's not exactly smooth sailing either. If you're okay with sharing your data and you've got patience for technical hiccups, you'll probably be fine. Otherwise, you might want to wait for those bugs to get squashed.